Alright, so next thing I'm going to show you is how to build the GMB website, which is right here on the left side. Okay, so it's going to come in, it's going to say get started. Pick a theme, blah, 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 blah. It's going to go on and on. Okay, so what you want to do is come down here and, so this is kind of, it just grabs a photo from one of the photos that we had as the cover photo. That's fine. The header photo, sorry. And what we want to do is click edit text. So the best way to go about this is to come over here to your keywords, okay? And we're just gonna take, I'm gonna take that Richmond towing out. That's not gonna work. Towing, okay, we'll use those words here. Okay, we'll just use these. This is fine. Okay, so the goal is to have at least 750 words. So you see it on your checklist here. These are a couple different things. You want 750 words. You want a link to your CID, which is you get here. And you'll want a link to the city. And you'll want some local business links. I'm going to break it down, kind of everything that we do. Okay. So let's get started. So we'll, again, take those keywords. And we'll take the tow truck near me as the first one. So here we go. So I'll do you search tow truck near me. Okay, I don't need the capital letters. And then, okay, and then I'll want to bold this as my title. And then I'll want to start writing about tow truck near me. Dot, dot, dot. And that's going to be, you're going to continue. I'm just putting this for reference. Now let's take the next one. So we did that one. So let's do towing company. Okay, I'm going to bold that. And oh, I'm going to unbold here. It just wants to stay bolded, so let me just undo that. And then we're going to dot, 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 and that's, you're going to continue on. You're going to add some more stuff in there. Content, just be creative. You can Google things about writing content if you want, but it's pretty simple. You're just going to go over and add the keywords in as you go. Let's go in and, we'll go in and look at the next keyword, reliable towing. Capital letter there, hold on. I don't want a capital R, I keep doing that. Okay, and, oh, sorry, that's gonna be all bold. So, unbold here. Okay, again, we're just using these keywords. Let's go back in, towing company near me. We already did the tow truck near me, so that's fine. Let's look at towing service. Okay, that's a question. Bang. Okay, and then let's see here. What do we got next? Car towing. Okay, and then let's go into the next one. Tow truck company. Okay. Okay, again, I'm just continuing to use these keywords that we have. We already did the near me. We'll do record. Well, that's good. Okay, so we got lots of keywords here. So again, this isn't gonna be the number one thing that takes our ranking to the top. So let's look here. It's just something that we're adding into it. Okay, so we're gonna add a bunch of words in here because we're probably looking at, I don't know, 80 words here. Let's see, 105 words. So I mean, that's not enough. We want at least 700, anywhere between 700 to 1,000. So your job's to come in here and fill these up with some good content. Okay, so that is where the words come in, and then I guess we'll stop there, and I'll add the other stuff to the other. I'll add the other stuff to the other sections in the sheet that I'm sending you. So this will be the 750 words right there. Okay, see you in the next video.